Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, so my one tube here I've chopped in the middle. I've shortened it quite a bit, and I've gotten it to the angle that I like it. It's gonna work nice there. And then this one I'm gonna do the same thing and just kind of curve it over right into here somewhere. And then I'll get it all welded up, and yeah, should work out sweet. So this is where we're at. I changed the upper tube here. It's not the same profile, and it's because the original tube has a piece of pipe inside of it. And I was trying to get it out, and I just couldn't. This tube still has it in there, but so I replaced it with this one. I got a slip joint here because I think I'm going to need it to wiggle this off when it's all welded. And then I've egged out a hole here to weld that in, and yeah, that's the plan. I'm gonna get her welded up and be right back. And there's the finished product. I just wrapped it with some heat wrap to hide my poor weld job, really. Make it look a little nicer. Next steps to get it back on the ground, get all the body work back on it, and get the chain because it just came in. Stay tuned. Well, there it is. Try to get out of the sunlight for you guys. I did end up modifying the stock shifter slightly. I shortened that linkage to make this a little bit better. Unfortunately, you got the stock slop. I had an aftermarket shifter on before, but where this is, it just, you have to use a linkage style. Yeah, RPMs still work, the shifter gauge still there, the gear selector, speedometer. It's like a factory bike. Now when it warms up, maybe we'll get some riding videos in. Till the next time, guys.